Hey, did you see the news about Anthropic's latest model?
No, what's up? Did they release something new?
Yeah. They just launched Claude 3.7 Sonnet, and it's really exciting.
Oh wow, what's different about it?
So it's a hybrid reasoning model, which is the first of its kind on the market.
Hybrid reasoning? Can you explain that a bit?
Sure. You know how we have System 1 and System 2 thinking?
Yeah.
Quick intuition versus slow, deliberate reasoning?
Right, like gut feelings and careful analysis?
Exactly. So Claude 3.7 Sonnet combines both. It can give near-instant responses or engage in extended step-by-step thinking, and you can see its thought process.
That's really cool. So you get to choose how deep it thinks?
Yes. And the best part is, you can control how long it thinks by setting a thinking budget.
Wait, so you can limit its thinking time?
Exactly. So if you don't want it to overthink, you can set a limit.
That's so useful. Sometimes AI models, ramble on when you just need a quick answer.
Totally. And Anthropic developed this with the philosophy that reasoning should be an integrated capability, not a separate model.
Makes sense. We don't switch brains when we need to think harder.
Haha, precisely. And they optimized Claude 3.7 Sonnet less for math and computer science competitions and more for real-world tasks.
That's refreshing. But isn't it important to excel in benchmarks too?
Well, benchmarks are useful, but sometimes they don't reflect practical needs.
I see your point, but benchmarks can still indicate a model's capabilities.
True, but focusing solely on them can lead to models that aren't as helpful in day-to-day use.
Fair enough. So how does Claude perform in real-world tasks?
In Agentic Coding and tool use benchmarks, it's outperforming other models.
Agentic Coding? What's that exactly?
It's where AI agents are tested on real-world tasks involving user and tool interactions to see how well they perform.
So it's about how well the AI can handle practical tasks.
Yes, and it's important for deploying AI in areas like customer service or healthcare, where consistency is key.
That's important. Consistent behavior is crucial in those fields.
Absolutely. And they've also launched Claude Code, which lets you work with Claude directly in the terminal.
No kidding. So developers can interact with it while coding?
Yeah. It can understand your code base, analyze repositories, provide insights.
That's like having an AI pair programmer.
Exactly. You can request changes, it can generate and execute tests, resolve errors automatically.
That could really speed up development.
For sure, but we still need to be cautious.
Yeah, AI can make mistakes. Developers still need to review code.
Definitely. It's a tool to augment human capabilities, not replace them.
Right, exactly. But do you think it's reliable enough for professional use?
Well, it's still in research preview, but initial feedback seems positive, so it's promising.
That's good. I guess only time will tell.
True. And did you hear they tested Claude by having it play Pokémon Red?
Pokemon? Seriously?
Yeah. It's a fun way to demonstrate its ability to maintain focus and accomplish open-ended goals, which translates to real-world applications.
That's an interesting way to test an AI model.
Definitely. And their vision for the future is even more exciting.
How so?
Well, by 2024, they aim for assistants that are more capable than collaborators by 2025, and pioneers by 2027.
Pioneers? That sounds ambitious.
It is. They envision Claude finding breakthrough solutions to challenging problems that would take teams years to achieve.
Do you think that's realistic?
I think it's possible with the rapid advancements we're seeing.
Maybe.
But we need to keep our expectations in check.
Yeah, sometimes AI hype gets ahead of reality.
Agreed. We need to balance excitement with caution.
So, have you tried Claude 3.7 Sonnet yet?
Not yet, but I'm planning to. The thinking budget feature is really intriguing, and I want to see how it works in practice.
Yeah, being able to control how long it thinks could be really useful.
Exactly. Especially when you need a quick answer or a detailed analysis.
But do you think users will know how to best set the thinking time?
That's a good question. It might take some experimentation to find the optimal settings.
Yeah, I can see people either overusing it or not using it enough.
Right. Maybe Anthropic will provide guidelines or defaults to help.
Hopefully. Overall, though, it seems like a big step forward.
I think so too. I'm excited to see how it evolves.
Me too. The future of AI is looking bright.
Indeed. Can't wait to dive in and test it out.
Same here. Let's compare notes after we try it.
Sounds like a plan.